Happy Friday, guys. Welcome to the channel. So I just wanted to give a background on the brand and how it all sort of became about and how it started. I wanted a huge line ring back in the day, around 2012 and started 2013. Couldn't find anything anywhere in the world. Did a lot of research. Still couldn't find anything. Went to people here in Australia and they all thought I was crazy for how big I wanted this particular piece. And so I said, you know what, screw it, I'll make my own. So I jumped online, did a lot of research and bought all the tools and started carving waxes at home, and basically almost burnt the house down a few times, and practice makes perfect. And I ended up making that first line ring, which is here. So check it out. It's the angry line ring. Greek key on the back, because I'm a huge fan of Greek mythology. Love all that stuff. So yeah, that's basically the ring that kicked it off. So this weighs about 113 grams, my ring size. And so you can see why a few people were just freaked at the size of this thing. But anyway, so that's the piece that kicked everything off for the brand. And can't forget all these people on the wall here who've helped me build this brand over the last, I don't know, 6 years. So Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger's up there, and he's been a huge hand in breaking the brand and giving me my break. So I can never repay him, and he's such a legend, the most humble man, and he gave me the vision and the ability to think that there's no limits to what you can achieve. So it was pretty cool and humbling for him to do that and bestow that on me. So awesome stuff, man. Anyway, guys, I will keep you posted. I've got some new pieces coming next week and can't wait to share them with you. And yeah, keep in touch, subscribe below, click that button. All right.